In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add narration to Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and can be particularly useful if you want to provide additional context or explanations to your audience. So let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have your presentation open and ready in Google Slides. Now, while Google Slides does not have a built-in feature to record audio directly, you can still add narration with a bit of creativity. One popular workaround is to use a separate software or tool to record your narration and then embed it into your slides. For this, you'll need a reliable audio recording tool. There are several free options available online, such as Audacity, or even voice recorder applications that come pre-installed on computers or smartphones. Choose the tool that you find most convenient and easy to use. Once you've selected your audio recording tool, the next step is to record your narration. Before you start, it's helpful to prepare a script or an outline of what you want to say for each slide to ensure your narration is organized and concise. Remember, clarity is key. When you're ready, simply start recording your voice while you discuss the content of each slide. It might take a couple of tries to get everything just right, but practice makes perfect, so don't worry about redoing sections until they meet your standards. After you're satisfied with your narration recording, you'll need to save the file in a compatible format, such as MP3 or WAV, which are commonly used formats that work well with Google Slides. Once your audio clips are saved, head back over to Google Slides. Now, to add your narration to Google Slides, you'll have to upload your audio file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, as Google Slides will need a direct link to the audio file online. After uploading, make sure to set the file permissions to allow anyone with the link to view it. This ensures that your audience will be able to access the audio without any issues. Next, return to Google Slides and select the slide where you'd like to add the narration. From the menu at the top, click on Insert, then choose Audio. A pop-up window will appear where you can select your uploaded audio file from your Google Drive. Click on your file, then hit Select. The audio file will now be inserted into your slide, and you'll see an audio icon appear. You can move this icon around on your slide if you want to position it differently. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added narration to your Google Slides presentation. By following these steps, your presentations will be more dynamic and informative, offering your audience a richer experience. Happy presenting!